और मिल्की बॉल हावर्ड लास्ट लाइन यश यश
नहीं, मम्मी नहीं, मम्मी नहीं, मम्मी नहीं, मम्मी मैंने नहीं करा, मम्मी मैंने नहीं किया, मैंने नहीं किया, मम्मी।
That's why he's the GOAT. That's why he's the GOAT. He scores in Champions League final. You sit down, Safonov. Go back to Russia. Oh, Yash. Such a flex goal. Such a flexing his muscles. Big bomba like a big thigh. भंपे पे सर फोड़ दिया भाई उनका. Holy shit. Saucy. Yeah, always by Champions League final.
Is now Havertz, Kai Havertz, Kai Havertz, Kai Havertz, Kai Havertz scores! Oh my God! My God! Oh my God! What a finish! What a goal! Kai Havertz scores in the 5th minute of the game. My God, boy! Wow! 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 My God, boy! In the 5th minute itself.
क्या हैवर्ट्स नहीं तू गोल नहीं मार पाया आ! ओ काय हैवर्ट्स माय काय हैवर्ट्स अरे मोरी मैया यो का देख लियो मैंने
ट्रोजार्ट भाई निकल गया भाई बंदा निकल गया भाई हावर्ट्स निकल गया इन बिहाइंड भाई काय हावर्ट्स इज इन काय हावर्ट्स इज इन काय हावर्ट्स scores what are we watching काय हावर्ट्स has scored for Arsenal boys Champions League final 5 minutes on the night it's Martin Kai scoring on the day could this be the goal that wins Arsenal their first ever Champions League trophy? Or is it going to be too soon to call that? 5 minutes on the night. Kai Havertz, the surprise pick over much more assured Gyökeres. Kai Havertz, the guy who scored for Chelsea back in the days against Manchester City. ये एक mistake है यहाँ पे. Look at that.
Arsenal attack, Arsenal attack. Goal! Oh my God! Oh my God! Bhai! Oh my God! Bhai, Arsenal have scored! Bhai, Kai Havertz on the score sheet! What have you done? What have you done, PSG? What have you done, PSG? Oh my God! Within the first 6 minutes of the game, the guy who led Chelsea to the European glory back in 2021 has just scored.
हैवर्ट्स इज इन
2-1.
Havertz is in.
2-1. Big chance.
Havertz is
Arsenal
in.
winning the UCL.
Goal!
What the fuck?
Oh my God!
Holy
Kai
shit.
Havertz has scored in another Champions League final. What the hell just
But
happened?
not for Chelsea. But not for Chelsea. For Arsenal
Oh
this
my
time.
God!
What a
Kai
finish.
Havertz
What
has
a
scored.
finish.
Bhai, Kai Havertz is a big game
Bhai.
player. Bhai, what a finish!
Wow.
Oh my God!
Holy shit. Arsenal lead. Oh my God. It's happening.
It's happening, bhai.
Champions League winners, Arsenal. Congratulations.
Bhai, Havertz has scored a goal.
Did not expect this start.
Bhai, what a goal by
What a
Kai
goal
Havertz.
though. What a fucking goal this is.
Bhai, another
एक second,
Champions
हाँ,
League
ये
final,
किसका
another
है?
goal for Kai Havertz, bhai.
Dembele की penalties are insane.
Chat.
He Always the
PSG.
unsavable penals every single time, Dembele. Game on.
Oh,
Game on.
game on, game on, game on, game on, game on, game on, game on,
Crochet, crochet.
game on, game on, game on. With 26 minutes left in the clock, game on, chat.
Game on हो चुका.
अब आर्सेनल को एक गेम पे अटैक भी करना पड़ेगा, सिर्फ डिफेंड नहीं है मेरे दोस्तों.
Yeah.
गेम ऑन. वाओ, टॉप पेनल्टी. राय ने बिल्कुल सही गेस नहीं करी. कुछ था ही नहीं यार, कुछ था ही नहीं. डेम्बेले टॉप पेनल्टी है, टॉप पेनल्टी.
Equalize for PSG. He can. Top penalty. Bottom corner. Oh my God, boy, that's such a difficult penalty to score, but this guy does it every time. Disgusting penalty by PSG. रोने लग गए PSG वाले, पैर रोने लग गए. माँ के दिन इन्हां दा रोना निकल गया है. राया को समझ नहीं आया. मॉस्केरा ने कुइचा क्वाराटस्कीलिया की टांगों में समाया. कुइचा क्वाराटस्कीलिया खुद को गिरने से रोक ना पाया. रेफरी ने पेनल्टी स्पॉट दिखाया. डेम्बेले ने बॉटम कॉर्नर दबाया. फाइनली इस मैच में थोड़ा सा जोश आया. पर डेम्बेले ये जो चूतिया काटा है ना उन्होंने डेविड राया का, ये जो चूतिया बनाया है, ठीक है, विटीनिया को खड़ा करके जो डेम्बे ने मारा है, डेम्बे अब बनाया जाएगा कुत्ता, ठीक है. अब खिलाया जाएगा फुटबॉल. नेबले ने सांप को मुट्ठी मारते हुए पकड़ लिया है. अब बस वो सांप के वेट कर रहा है खत्म होने का, और फिर करेगा नेवला हमला. नेवला तैयार है. सांप
ले मार दिया भाइयों. Dembus 1-1. Game on guys, game on. Why? PSG haven't been at the best. Arsenal have been defending, but now this is the game going in PSG's favor. Lucho ke team has got their heads in the game now. Scoreline is 1-1. Everything to play for. PSG fan is crying. Bhai sahab, what can football do to you? Oh bhai sahab mere, oh bhai sahab. Oh bhai yaar, pressure tha bhai yahan pe Dembele ko. The Ballon d'Or winner stands up and scores the goal.
Oh, scored. What a pen. What a pen by Ousmane Dembele. Dembele भाई मेरी balls ने मुझे धोखा दे दिया है. I was feeling in my balls, but Ousmane Dembele has just equalized for PSG. But you know what? Christian Mosquera is the luckiest and the luckiest player on the planet Earth, because that was the clearest of the clear yellow card. और वो second yellow होता, by the way. Eduardo Camavinga got the second yellow card for the most dumbest decision.
Oh, what a pen.
1-1,
What a
PSG
pen.
1-1.
Bhai, that's
They're
a good
back
pen.
in the game. It's a good.
That's a very good
right
pen.
in the corner,
Under
wrong
pressure.
side. आग वाग जल गई है.
Now
PSG के stand
they
पे.
will turn things.
अब बताओ.
Bhai.
अब chat
Chat कर रहा है.
Chat happy? Is chat happy?
Chat is very happy. अंकुर दास लिखते हैं great goal. हाँ.
Chat में suddenly जान आ जाएगी.
The world is saved. What a goal.
नहीं गैब्रियल बाहर मार दी. Oh, they've done it twice in a row. Yes, they have done the two-peat. They have won. Champions of Europe again. My God, bhai, two in a row. Yes, two in a row. Gabriel, very, very poor miss. Very, very bad miss. He must be so sad. There was no point in missing that. Just had to put it on target. तो तू पहिए के बीच से क्यों निकल रहा है? अब टाइम आ चुका है दोस्त।
गली अबे गैब्रियल सलीबा नहीं है पहली बात तो। Champions League for PSG. Gabriel. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nah, दोस्तों no. No, Gabriel. You skyrocketed my guy. Gabriel, you were there, man. No, my god. PSG have done it.
Side place, left side place, grounded shot. Arsenal goes ahead. Left side place, grounded shot. मार के चोट तेरी पे.
his left foot. Gabby scores it! Arsenal have lost it! PSG have won the Champions League! What a euphoria moment! Paris Saint-Germain have done it 2 times in a row! Gabriel Magalhaes! Head in hand, tears in his eyes. Arsenal fans, the look of aghast on their face. 1 penalty away. And guess who did that? Probably the best player of Arsenal this whole season by Gabriel Magalhaes. Bhai Saab. Holy shit, bhaiyon.
Gabriel Magalhaes को
Oh my god! I predicted it, दोस्तों! I predicted it!
I predicted that Arsenal will not win if the game goes to the penalties. Before the kickoff, I predicted it. मैंने सुबह प्रिडिक्ट कर दिया था ये कि अगर गेम पेनल्टीज पे जाएगा तो आर्सेनल नहीं जीतेगी. PSG have become the first team since Real Madrid to win back-to-back Champions Leagues. 21st सेंचुरी में करने वाली ये दूसरी टीम बन गई है. हिस्ट्री में यहां पर ये दूसरी बार हो रहा है 21st सेंचुरी की कि किसी एक टीम ने बैक टू बैक फाइनल्स जीते हो. मैंने प्रेडिक्शन दी थी दोस्तों. तुम में से हर कोई बोल रहा था कि आपको बहुत कुछ फील हो रहा है. कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. मैंने बोला था अगर रेगुलर टाइम में गेम फिनिश होगा देन इट इज आर्सेनल्स गेम. अगर गेम पेनल्टीज में गया आर्सेनल आर नॉट विनिंग दिस गेम. आई प्रेडिक्टेड दैट. Do you remember it?
Oh my God! It over the ball. PSG have won the Champions League. PSG have won the Champions League.
PSG have won the
Shocking penalty.
second Champions League in a row.
Oh my God! That was a horrible penalty.
And Sofonov guessed the right way also.
Oh my God! Horrible penalty. Oh no! Horrible penalty. Oh Marquinhos आ गया गेब्रियल के पास. Oh भाई back to back Champions Leagues for Paris Saint-Germain. Oh,
Is he a pie? Ale pie.
oh भाई.
Pie is a magic.
Thank Chad Carey have world saved. Thank God football saved PSG. No celebration. Football saved as striking.